I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you're looking to stay updated on your Zelle transactions, activating notifications is a great way to do it. Here is a simple guide to help you get those alerts set up. Step 1. Open the Zelle app. Launch the Zelle app on your mobile device. Make sure you are logged into your account to access the settings. Step 2. Go to Settings. Once you're in the app, look for the gear icon or the Settings menu, usually located in the top corner of the screen. Tap on it to open the settings. Step 3. Select Notifications. In the Settings menu, find and select the Notifications option. This is where you can manage your alert preferences. Step 4. Enable Notifications. Toggle the switch to enable notifications for transactions. You can customize which alerts you want to receive, such as payment received or sent. Step 5. Test your notifications. After enabling notifications, send a small payment to yourself or a friend to test if the alerts are working. You should receive a notification shortly after the transaction. If you don't receive a notification, double-check your device settings to ensure notifications for the Zelle app are allowed. I hope this helps you stay on top of your Zelle transactions. If you have any questions, feel free to ask.